Shawty get throwed off in my bed. Shawty get throwed off of that head. Shawty get throwed off in that red. Shawty get throwed off in my bed. Shawty get throwed off.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Daysia. Right now, I'm just getting ready to lay these edges so they can look real good and real natural. This little edge control was so cute. Letting y'all know I'm gonna be looking at this mirror. But yes, I have to lay these edges so I can have a natural look with this wig. And the edge control is really laying it down. And if you guys been keeping up with me, y'all know that I did cut my hair, so it's short but growing back. So right now I just have them in a whole bunch of little ponytails, trying to lay it as flat as I can because it's not really grippable right now. Yeah, let's curve it, let's swoop it, let's get it together. Can y'all see the concentration? I'm really concentrating. But yes, I do have a headband wig I'm so excited to try. And this style is really easy to do. Right here, I'm just getting my wig cap and putting it on to help protect my hair and possibly lay it a little flatter. You know, you can see my little bungs in the back and on top. Okay, so this is the hair. This is by Bobbi Boss. It is Serena in the color 2. It also came with this pretty butterfly headband. Here's Serena. She is long and wavy. The construction is pretty nice. Up top we have one clip. And then also is one clip at the bottom. She also comes with a band to tighten it. And she's really soft. And I realized that the band is adjustable, which is pretty cool. I never had one that's adjustable like that before. Trying to make sure I get it on right. And it's super tight, so it does feel very secure. And right here, I'm just flipping the band back one time. That way you can see my edges on my real hair to give a little more realistic, natural look. She's so long, y'all. And I really do like this headband because it covers a lot, like a lot of width. That way I can pull it back a little further than my normal headbands. Ooh, I'm feeling myself. Hey, inches. I'm just running my fingers through it because this is a synthetic wig. So I'm just trying to make sure there's no tangles, there's no knots. It was easy to move my hands through it. And it's swinging. It's bodying. Get a few pics. See, the body is doing it for me. Something different, real cute. Hey. Yes, this is really cute. You guys need to go get this wig. It's really, really easy to install. This is just the back. I'm just showing you guys the waves, the movement. Again, it's a really, really easy, simple, quick hairstyle you can do if you just need to get up and on the go, whatever. You just need a new style, switch it up.